Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals with another video. We are working with some leather from Tandy Leather. Isn't this beautiful? I'm going to make a couple of pair of earrings. I'm going old school using my big kick die cutting machine. I have some dies that I'm going to use, some heart-shaped dies that I think are cute. So let's do it. Many of the supplies that I used are in my Amazon store. There's a link to my Amazon store, including the newest version of this die cutting machine. This video is sponsored by Sharika Originals. We create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also produce, for the jewelry maker, we produce earring blanks, templates, and tutorials to help up-level your jewelry business. You can find our items at sharikaoriginals.com. There will be a link to our shop in the description of the video. So we are just here. Our aim is to help as many people as we can to up-level their jewelry business by sharing our experiences. We have our Tuesday live subscriber chat where we also help each other with our jewelry business, giving tips and tricks and supplies and all of that stuff. So check us out, Sharika Originals. And this is Sherry. Because this leather is thin and very flimsy, I wanted to give it some more body, so I'm cutting some watercolor paper to adhere to the back of my leather to give it a little bit more stability. Here you can see how flimsy it is. This hole punch tool is available in my Amazon shop. As some of you may know, I have a laser cutter, but I know everybody doesn't have one. And the Sizzix cutters are a less expensive alternative if you want to be able to cut your materials and have them look very, very professional. All right, good people. You know the drill. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.